So this right here is a really good argument for why you should have a dog and a cat.